Hey YouTube, welcome back to the Printing Workshop. I'm Matthew, and today I'm going to show you how to change out the imaging kit on a Xerox B410 printer. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is open that front cover by pushing the button on the right side and opening it up all the way. Then you'll remove your toner by grabbing the orange handle, putting straight out and away from the machine, and setting it aside. Right inside where that toner was is another orange handle. Take your hand and go up under that handle like so, and grab it, and the same thing. And pull out of that machine, lean it up just a little bit to get past the front cover, and slide it out. And there is your imaging unit. Now, you get your new imaging unit, you're going to take it, grab the orange handle like this. It has slides on both sides, and those are going to lay right where those orange arrows are inside the machine. I like to kind of dive that imaging unit into that hole a little bit, right to those orange arrows on those slides, and then lean it down and then slide it all the rest of the way back in. You shouldn't have to force it very hard. It should kind of just want to go right where it wants to go. Once it's in place, you're going to replace the toner, and same thing, your slides on the toner, they go right where those orange arrows are. You lay it in place, push it until it clicks back, then you'll close your front cover until it latches, and that's it. If you'd like to see the only other video for this model, click here. If you'd like to see more videos on printer content, like and subscribe.